The first piece of advice I would give to my 14-year-old self would be to cherish your hobbies. I think they are an important part of our personality, and that it's always good to take some time to enjoy them. The second advice I would give to believe in yourself. I know it from my own experience that sometimes there are some difficult situations and we have a lack of self-confidence and I think that it's always important that to know that with enough motivation and enough of hard work we can manage that. And the last advice would be to travel and gather a lot of different experiences. On my business card it's written my name, Milica Maksimovic, and that I am a researcher in Media Distribution and Security Group at Fraunhofer IDMT. The coolest part of my job is something really that also motivated me to become a researcher, is that I can turn my ideas into some finished product. So my idea can tomorrow be a problem solver, so to say, in some industry application, and that's something really that motivates me for my job, and that I can be creative, and also the team that I'm working with, they are all really friendly and always helpful. They make it so much easier. The challenges of my work is that I have, so to say, a half-time researcher, half-time PhD position, and sometimes it's difficult to balance between those two positions. I want to have my project work done, but I also want to do all the research job that I need for my PhD. I'm working at Fraunhofer IDMT, where IDMT stands for Institute for Digital Media Technologies. I'm working in Media Distribution and Security Group, and we are mainly creating applications for audio forensics. I am developing audio signal processing algorithms that are used in audio forensics for supporting audio tampering detection. Audio tampering detection has a goal to prove if one audio file is authentic or it has been tampered. And that is really important, for example, for news broadcasting or law enforcement. What I actually do is to develop algorithms, and I would describe that process maybe in few steps. Like what I first need to do is to do the state-of-the-art research, where I see what approaches are available and what could be reused, what do I need to extend or upgrade, or maybe create a completely new approach. Then I can do the prototype testing, and after the prototype has been successful, I can again program that in C++, which is important for our components integration. And as the last step, that would be evaluation, where I design the test cases, collect the test data, and evaluate my algorithm. In some cases, when that is something really innovative and testings are successful, I would write also a research paper about that can be published in conferences. I was born and raised in Serbia, where I finished my school. After I finished the school, I started studies on Faculty of Technical Sciences, where I got a master's degree at electrical engineering with focus on signal processing. While I was on my master, I got an offer to do the internship in Germany on Fraunhofer IDMT. After finishing my 6 months internship, I decided to do my master thesis also in this institute, and after I finished my master thesis, I got an offer for a PhD and researcher position in Media Distribution and Security Group. Yes, it would be possible to do my job with a different background. For example, with master in computer science, it would be important to have a background in digital signal processing and programming, and of course to be motivated enough to do the research and creative enough to deliver state-of-the-art solutions.